Have you ever tossed a few slices of beets into your salad? Or blended them into a morning smoothie, thinking you were making the healthiest choice possible? You are not alone. For decades, beets have been praised as one of nature's most powerful superfoods, especially for those of us over 60. These vibrant red roots are loaded with compounds tailor-made for seniors who want to protect their heart, sharpen their memory, and keep their energy levels high. Inside every beet, you'll find natural nitrates that relax and widen your blood vessels, improving circulation and lowering blood pressure. You'll also find betalains, the deep red pigments that work as massive antioxidants to fight inflammation and protect your liver. But here is the surprising truth. Many people are not getting these benefits. In fact, small mistakes in how you prepare, cook, or store beets could be robbing you of their healing power. Today, we are revealing the 12 common mistakes seniors make with beets. Some will surprise you, and mistake number 2 might completely change how you look at your kitchen. I am Dr. Emily Carter, and this is the Seniors Routine. Let's unlock the full potential of this crimson powerhouse. Let us begin with mistake number 12, throwing away the peel. Most seniors don't realize that the moment you peel a beet, you are throwing away a concentrated layer of nutrients. That thin, earthy skin is where the highest concentration of antioxidants and fiber lives. The betalains that calm aching joints and protect blood vessels are located right under the surface. By peeling, you lose a good portion of these protective compounds before they ever reach your plate. Instead, stop peeling and start scrubbing. Use a vegetable brush under running water to remove dirt. Once cooked, the skin softens and becomes barely noticeable. If you truly dislike the texture, you can always slip the skin off after cooking when fewer nutrients are lost. Mistake number 11 is eating them plain. Beets have a distinct, earthy flavor that some find bland or boring, but eating them plain is a missed opportunity for what we call nutrient synergy. Beets need companions to unlock their full power. For example, a splash of lemon juice or balsamic vinegar does more than just brighten the flavor. The acid helps your body absorb the iron in the beet more effectively. Furthermore, a drizzle of olive oil adds healthy fats that help your body take up fat-soluble antioxidants like beta-carotene. This is crucial for protecting your eyes, skin, and heart as you age. Mistake number 10 is using old, wrinkled beets. Freshness is not just about taste, it is about potency. A firm beet with taut skin signals that it is packed with vitamin C, folate, and potassium. Once a beet starts to shrivel, its nutrient levels begin to decline rapidly. Vitamin C in particular is highly sensitive to light and air. Instead of helping your body produce collagen and fight inflammation, an old beet might give you little more than empty fiber. Always look for small to medium beets that feel heavy and firm. If the greens are still attached, they should be crisp and bright, never wilted. Mistake number 9, discarding the greens. This is a shocking truth for many, but when you throw away beet greens, you are discarding one of the most nutrient-dense parts of the entire plant. Gram for gram, these leaves are even more nutritious than spinach or kale. They are loaded with vitamin K, which prevents dangerous calcium buildup in your arteries and directs it to your bones where it belongs. They are also packed with magnesium, something over 60% of adults are deficient in. Treat them like spinach. Sauté them with garlic, add them to omelets, or blend them into a green smoothie. They are a free nutritional bonus you shouldn't ignore. Mistake number 8 is forgetting salt during the cooking process. Boiling or steaming beets in plain water without a pinch of salt is a mistake that robs both their flavor and their nutritional impact. Salt isn't just a seasoning. It helps maintain the cell structure of the beet, preventing excessive leaching of vitamins into the cooking liquid. This ensures you keep more of the folate and betalains inside the vegetable. You don't need much, just a half teaspoon in the pot is enough to transform the final dish and support better mineral absorption. Mistake number 7 is wasting the canned beet liquid. If you use canned beets, that dark red liquid in the tin is not just colored water, it is liquid gold. It is rich in the same antioxidants that protect your liver and joints. The canning process allows minerals like potassium and magnesium to seep into the liquid. Instead of pouring it down the drain, use it as a base for soups, stir it into smoothies, or whisk it into a salad dressing. It is a natural supplement in disguise. Mistake number 6 is not blanching canned beets. Have you ever noticed a metallic or tinny taste in canned beets? That odd flavor can ruin a meal and discourage you from eating them regularly. There is a simple 1-minute solution: blanching. Dropping your canned beets into gently boiling water for just 60 seconds washes away that metallic residue and restores their natural, earthy sweetness. This extra step makes the beets far more pleasant without stripping away their core nutrition. Mistake number 5. Avoiding canned beets entirely. Many people assume canned foods are less nutritious, but studies show that most of the fiber, folate, and antioxidants survive the canning process. For busy seniors, canned beets are a reliable and convenient way to keep this superfood in your weekly routine. Just look for labels that say low sodium or no salt added to stay in control of your heart health. Mistake number 4 is only boiling your beets. If boiling is the only way you've ever prepared them, you are missing out on their true potential. Boiling causes many water-soluble vitamins to leach out. Instead, try roasting them to concentrate their natural sugars or even eating them raw. Grated raw beets in a salad are crunchy, sweet, and retain 100% of their vitamin content. Experimenting with different methods keeps your meals exciting and your body well fed. Mistake number 3. Poor storage habits. If you leave the greens attached to the root in the fridge, the leaves will continue to draw moisture and minerals out of the beet, leaving it soft and rubbery. Trim the greens immediately, leaving about an inch of stem. Store the roots unwashed in a breathable bag in the crisper drawer. This simple step can keep your beets fresh and nutritious for up to 3 weeks. Mistake number 2 will surprise most people: not using beets in desserts. Beets are naturally sweet and moist, making them an ideal secret ingredient for brownies or chocolate cakes. The earthiness of the beet intensifies the chocolate's richness, while the added fiber lowers the glycemic load of the treat. It is a brilliant way to indulge your sweet tooth while nourishing your circulation and bones. Finally, mistake number 1, eating expired or damaged cans. This is the most dangerous mistake of all. For seniors whose immune systems can be more vulnerable, a compromised seal on a can is a serious risk. Never ignore bulging cans, deep rust, or severe dents. Respect expiration dates and always transfer leftovers to a glass container rather than leaving them in the open metal tin. In conclusion, beets are a miracle for healthy aging, providing the nitrates and antioxidants your body needs to thrive. By avoiding these 12 mistakes, you ensure that every bite supports your heart, your brain, and your independence. Thank you for being part of our community at the Seniors Routine. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and share this video with a friend. Take care of yourselves, stay vibrant, and remember, your health is your greatest wealth.